Today we'll take a look at using the trackpad and the touchscreen on a Chromebook. You may be thinking, hey, I've used a Chromebook. Why would you even bother making a video on how to use the trackpad? Stick with me in this short video and you might pick up a couple tips. The trackpad allows us to use one finger, two fingers, or three fingers. And there's also a few gestures related to using the touchscreen you may not be aware of. If I put one finger on the trackpad and move around, it moves the arrow around. If I put that arrow on top of something and I click, it does that thing, whether it's a web link or a button. Likewise, if I put the arrow on top of something and I tap, it does that thing instantly. What if I want to see a list of choices related to that thing rather than simply activating it? I put my arrow on top of it and I tap with two fingers and I get a contextual menu with options related to that thing. This is very much like right-clicking on Windows. When looking at using two fingers on the Chromebook trackpad, we can also scroll around on a web page or a PDF document with two fingers. I just put two fingers on the trackpad and I move down or up or left or right, and I can scroll all around in that page. Now three fingers. What can I do with three fingers? If I put three fingers on the trackpad and I go to the left or the right, I move between tabs. I could, of course, go up to the top with my arrow and click, but using my trackpad, it's faster, it's easier, it's just a shortcut. Now, this final tip is related to pinching and zooming and working with history using the touchscreen. This tip, specifically pinching and zooming, can be done on the trackpad or the screen, but it's easier to be done on the screen. So you just put two fingers on the screen, spread them apart, that zooms in. I take those two fingers and pinch them together, and it returns to normal size. So zoom in, zoom out. That's all there is to it. And finally, let's take a look at the history. I could, of course, go up to the top and use my back and forward arrows, or I could use my finger. I put my finger off the left-hand side of the screen, move to the middle. It takes me back in history. Or if I put my finger off the right-hand side of the screen and move to the middle, that takes me forward in history. That's it. Have a great day. Bye.